Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making our Black Bottom Cupcakes recipe. These are the best of both worlds. Moist chocolate cake combined with a creamy vanilla cheesecake filling studded with chocolate chips. We boost the chocolate flavor of a devil's food cake mix with cocoa powder, then whip up the cheesecake filling with cream cheese and just a handful of simple ingredients you've probably got in the pantry. In less than 40 minutes, you've got scrumptious, tasty treats like these. We used half the batter to make a Black Bottom Loaf Cake to share at brunch. It's so moist with the luscious cream cheese filling loaded with chocolate chips, it's no wonder it goes fast. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. To begin, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, combine the cake mix, 3 eggs, three tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of avocado or olive oil. Blend this on low speed until everything is incorporated and moistened, and then beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. If this is your first time at our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and we will show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with friends and family, like these Black Bottom Cupcakes, a family favorite at our house. Have a different best love recipe? Share your favorite in the comments below. We love trying something new. Set the cake batter aside, and we're going to make the cheesecake filling next. Combine 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese with 1/8 tablespoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. Blend this on medium for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract and blend. Then fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Okay, time to assemble the cupcakes. Line a cupcake pan with baking liners and fill the bottom with the chocolate cake mix. Then add a generous tablespoon of the cheesecake filling on top. And bake this for about 18 to 21 minutes until the chocolate cake test's done. As the cupcakes cook, the cream cheese filling will sink down into the cupcakes. These are delicious just like this, or frost them if you like. We used the rest of the batter to make a mini Black Bottom Loaf Cake, and it turned out amazing, with the cheesecake filling surprise along the bottom. In case you want to try this, I'll leave the details in the description. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. And if you're looking for more delicious dessert recipes to share with your family, try this amazing lemon cake. It has such a wonderful lemony flavor, and it's super easy to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.